Mission Station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground, your weekly look at what's happening on board the International Space Station. I'm Crawford Jones. All good things must come to an end, and this week saw the end of ISS Expedition 42 with the return of 3 space travelers to Earth. NASA astronaut Butch Wilmore and Russian cosmonauts Alexander Samokudyaev and Yelena Serova bid farewell to their orbital home on Wednesday. The trio boarded their Soyuz spacecraft and undocked from the station for the 3.5-hour journey back to Earth. Their 168-day mission ended with a touchdown on the steppe of Kazakhstan, where they were greeted by Russian search and recovery forces and some very chilly temperatures. Before departing the station, Butch Wilmore handed over command of the outpost to fellow NASA astronaut Terry Virts.
Colonel Virts, now is the time. So with that, as we say in the Navy, you have the helm.
Virts and his onboard crewmates won't have the station to themselves for long, though. NASA astronaut Scott Kelly and cosmonauts Mikhail Kornienko and Gennady Padalka have completed their final training exercises at the Gagarin Cosmonaut Training Center in Russia and will depart for their launch site in Kazakhstan on March 16th. Launch is set for March 27th and will mark the beginning of Kelly and Kornienko's one-year mission to the ISS. Make sure to log on to nasa.gov/oneyear to hear from the crew members in their own words. This week's Twitter question comes from Adam, who wants to know, how much would the space station weigh if it was subject to Earth's gravity? Well, Adam, the short answer is a lot. The ISS would weigh almost 925,000 pounds, or 462 tons here on Earth. That would be a little over 154,000 pounds on the Moon and 308,000 pounds on Mars. Make sure to keep sending in your questions and comments using the hashtag Space to Ground. We'll see you next week.